Hi Filipino learners, my name is JC. Kamusta kayo? Welcome to lesson 14 of our ultimate Tagalog course. In today's video, we will learn how to form the past, present, and future tenses of MA verbs in Tagalog. MA verbs are Tagalog verbs whose infinitive forms begin with the prefix ma. Halimbawa, maalala or to remember, and makinig or to listen. Now, I have said this in the previous lesson. If you remove the prefix, which in this case is ma, what's left is what you call a root verb. For the first example, the root verb alaala begins with a vowel, while on the second example, the root verb is kinig, which begins with a consonant. Okay, let us begin with this one. So this is the rule that you will follow for MA verbs whose root words begin with a vowel. And it is actually the same with the mag verbs. For the past tense, o perpektibo, you simply change the letter M to letter N. Naalala. For the present tense, or imperpektibo, you once again change the first letter to letter N, and then repeat the first letter of the root verb. Naaalala. And finally, for the future tense, o contemplatibo, you only have to do one thing, which is to repeat the first letter of the root verb. Maaalala. Now, for MA verbs whose root words begin with a consonant like makinig, you'll also follow the same rules for mag verbs in the previous lesson. Okay, for the past tense, just change the first letter to letter N, nakinig. For the present tense, you again change the first letter to letter N, and then repeat the first two letters of the root verb, nakikinig. And lastly, for the future tense, repeat the first two letters of the root verb, makikinig. Let's do a few more for practice. Matulog is to sleep. So the past tense for this one is natulog. Present tense, natutulog. And then future tense, matutulog. Next one, malito, or to get confused or to be confused. The past tense is nalito. Present tense, nalilito. And then future tense, malilito. So there you go. That's it for today's lesson. In our next video, we will learn how to form the past, present, and future tenses of verbs in Tagalog. So watch out for that. Please support us by simply giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Sa susunod ulit. Paalam.